Hi, ETEP participants. In this course overview, we are going to be looking at Module 2, which is Facilitating Blended and Personalized Learning. The first activity you're going to be doing is reading this article. You can click either here or just scroll down at where the article is embedded. After you read this article about why choice matters to student learning, we would like you to think about these following questions. Then, in the discussion on the next page, you will be answering these questions and read and respond to the responses of two other class participants. It will be helpful if you copy paste the questions in so we know exactly which question you are responding to. In the next activity, you're going to be exploring different types of playlists. First, by reading about playlists and seeing an example of a playlist. Then by creating and engaging in a playlist right over here. So you'll open up this link. You will need to make a copy. I'm just going to quickly view it. And as you complete each activity on the playlist, you will just highlight this box and turn it green. If it's a work in progress, you can highlight it yellow. Right. Once you're completed, then you will submit that completed playlist with the entire right column green. Next, you're going to be exploring choice boards and learning menus. And just like playlists, first you're going to be reading about different types of choice boards. And then you will be engaging in a choice board. You'll learn more about choice boards. It's very meta. In this activity, there are 9 boxes. You will choose 3 in a row, kind of like tic-tac-toe. All right, you can do, it says that you must do the center activity. I don't believe that you do. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or you can go diagonally and do the center activity. All right. Once you're completed with that, you can submit your completed choice board. Then you're going to be reflecting on both the playlist and the choice board. And in the following page, you are going to consider what you've learned about each one. So each component you will be answering. You're going to be listing 3 things that were great about the playlist and 3 things that could have been improved, 3 things that were great about the choice board, and 3 things that could have been improved. All right. And that is a total of 12 points, 1 point for each required answer. Lastly, you're going to be exploring different tech tools that support blended and personalized learning. So we'll be diving into BlendSpace, Learning Paths, which is formerly Symbaloo, and Deck Toys. Now, you can also opt to use Google, any of the Google Suite to create your products as well. This dives into BlendSpace. BlendSpace used to be called TES or TESS, so you may know that by another name. Same thing with Symbaloo. Watch the video and just take a quick peek, sign in, and see if that's something that works for you. And same thing with Deck Toys. Once you've explored those digital tools, you can choose whether or not you will use one of those tech tools introduced or a Google tool to create either a playlist, choice board, or learning menu. Please read part 1 through 2 for each component of your student activity. Once you're completed, you will submit right over here. And then you've reached the end of the module.